So in this video, we're going to have a look at some true or false questions, just very quick, regarding depreciation of non-current assets. So, straight line depreciation then is calculated by deducting residual value from cost and then dividing it by useful economic life of the asset. Well, this is indeed true. If we are using straight line depreciation, we simply work out how many years of useful life we would expect that asset to have and depreciate it over that number of years in order to get our depreciation charge for each year. This in turn means that our depreciation charge is never going to change per year. It's always going to remain the same value, the same amount. If we do expect to have a residual value at the end, though, it is important that we do deduct this from our original cost when calculating it, as this would be the proceeds we would expect to get if we were to sell the asset at the end of its useful life. A decreasing expense over time will be the result of using the reducing balance method when calculating depreciation. Well, again, we know that this is true. When we deal with depreciation, we know that we debit our depreciation charge to our statement of profit or loss, whilst we would credit our accumulated depreciation to our non-current asset register, which would also be reflected in our statement of financial position. Ultimately, if we reduce this balance over time, because we are using the reducing balance method, we are going to get a decreasing expense because the percentage of what we are trying to calculate our depreciation on is based on the carrying value, and our carrying value is going to be lower each year. And straight line depreciation spreads the depreciation expense evenly over the asset's useful life. Well, again, this one is indeed true, because what we do is we take the depreciation and calculate it based on the number of years we expect the asset to have a lifespan for, and we would just divide it evenly to get our depreciation charge each year, which we would expect to be of the same amount.